Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here at STILIZ. Today I do bring you guys another install, and this is for the Supra once again. I hope you guys are enjoying this Supra content so far. Let me know what you guys think down below and what you guys want to see next. We actually have a few parts lined up, so stay tuned. I have not forgotten about the Subi, so just be patient. There's gonna be some exciting news for that car coming soon, but in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoy these videos. And if you guys haven't already checked out my recent video, we did install some taillights. They are the Legacy taillights, and they're really nice. I have it linked up here for you guys so you guys can watch it. Today, we are gonna be throwing on the OLM Alcantara steering wheel, and it looks so nice. I haven't opened the box yet, but I've seen photos and it looks really nice. So I'm excited to throw that onto the Supra today. Shout out to Rally Sport for sending me this steering wheel. If you guys haven't already used my code on their website, make sure to do so. It is STILIZ and you'll get 10% off. They have parts for so many cars, so make sure to check out their website whenever you guys are looking for something. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box, show you guys some close-ups, and get right into the install. Wow, this is beautiful. This is all Alcantara. It has that red stripe up here. I know that they have a carbon fiber version, but honestly, I think I like this better. It's really nice. I can't wait to see how it looks on the Supra. Okay guys, so we are in the Supra, and this is the OEM steering wheel. It's really nice for it to be an OEM steering wheel to begin with, but in my opinion, I think the aftermarket one is so much nicer. Just look at this, it's so beautiful. I love how it has this indentation here for your thumb. Makes it so much easier when you're racing. I mean, just kidding. But yeah, I'm really excited to throw this on. Just like the STI, we are gonna start off by disconnecting the battery. That way we can remove the airbag and start the process. Now I'm just gonna remove this 10mm nut, and that should release the terminal. Okay, so before you unplug your battery, just make sure that your steering wheel is in the correct position, because you're not going to be able to move it afterward. So now the car is essentially dead, and we're going to start off by poking a hole underneath the steering wheel. So there are two indentations, both on each side. You're going to grab your screwdriver and you are going to go ahead and make a hole, just like that. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Basically what that's going to do, it's going to give you access to remove the actual airbag. There is a spring inside that you have to push down. Okay, so after 20 minutes, we were able to remove the airbag. It was honestly pretty difficult. I tried different size screwdrivers, but it honestly didn't matter. It was just kind of like messing around with it. But the point of it is that it's off. So now you're gonna carefully remove it, and you're gonna have to unplug some connectors here. Okay, so I went ahead and removed both connectors, so now it has released the airbag. So this is the back of the actual airbag. These are the springs that you're trying to remove, so you're supposed to push it in and see how it releases it up here. Same thing for the other side. It's kind of difficult, so you want to use enough force to actually release it. So after removing the airbag, we actually found out that it's not a standard socket. It's actually a T60. Hopefully I find one. If not, I'm gonna have to run to the store real quick. Here she is. Bingo! So it is a T60, so just make sure you have this tool at home. So now, technically you could have done this before, but we just have to remove some more connectors. So now that I went ahead and removed these connectors, we're just gonna pull out the steering wheel slowly. And there you go. So here is your OEM steering wheel. It obviously still has everything connected. I'm gonna go ahead and run inside and transfer everything over to the new steering wheel and basically put it back. But this is it. Supra with no steering wheel. So I am removing this Torx back here. It is holding on the paddle shifter. There it is. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Then there's gonna be this blue connector inside. So on both sides, you're gonna go ahead and unplug that. So you just remove that, and then you're gonna transfer it over. Voila! We did it! Okay, I think it goes like this, right? Just kidding. Okay, we're gonna plug everything back in. Well, it's just two. Just line it up and click it back into place. It was so hard to take this off, and it's gonna be like 2 seconds to put back in. And we're all set. What do you guys think? It looks amazing. Oh my goodness. I love how it's like flat down here. How do I look in a Supra? Alrighty guys, so this does conclude my video. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little install. I think it looks really, really nice. Let me know your thoughts down below. I will also have the steering wheel linked, so if you guys want to purchase it, feel free to just click on it. And don't forget to use my code STILIZ for 10% off. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!